Tired of paying high prices for a replacement keyless entry remote? Imagine getting a fully tested remote with battery and electronics installed, ready to go, all without breaking the bank. This remote replaces the 15,732,803 and KOBUT1BT models, making it a perfect fit for your vehicle if you confirm the part number first. It's a quick, easy, and affordable solution that brings convenience right to your fingertips. I wasn't sure if I could handle programming a keyless remote myself, but the step-by-step DIY instructions made it surprisingly simple. After buying these for my 2000 Chevy Suburban, I found that hardware stores wanted $80 each for replacement fobs. These, however, came as two for just $25. The instructions were clear and straightforward, and within 5 minutes, I had both remotes linked to my vehicle, along with my original. The process requires reprogramming the original remote to generate a new code, but it's all laid out in the guide. Now, the remotes work flawlessly, and I've been recommending this option to everyone I know. If you're looking for a replacement keyless entry remote that matches your original in form and function, this is worth a look. It comes with a warranty card for peace of mind and is designed to be compatible when you verify your vehicle needs the 15,732,903 remote, not the 15,042,968, which won't work interchangeably. Save time and money with a reliable remote that's easy to program yourself. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy the convenience of keyless entry again.